Hello, and welcome to the Full Screen Charts webinar. Today we're going to be talking about how to view full screen charts, what you can do with them, and how you can change the settings of the charts themselves. So the first thing we're going to do is just enter full screen charts to view them. So what you're going to do first is locate the widget that contains the data that you want to view in a full screen chart. We're going to use the Almond 1A data. All you have to do is select the View Full Screen expansion button in the top right hand corner and you'll enter full screen mode. You can do a lot of cool things with full screen charts. You can view all the data that was included in the widget. You can see the high and low thresholds that you've set. And you can also do some pretty interesting things up here. You can change the date range, which can also be done using this slider at the bottom of the screen. I don't have data past July 15th, but if I wanted to see less data, I can always move the slider in. Or if I had more historical data, I could slide the slider out and see more and more. So today we're going to keep it to just what we have data for, July 2015. We can also, while we're in full screen charts, see just one day, 1 week, 1 month, or 3 months. So we can take a look for a moment at what one day looks like. We can see some specific trends as we move along at specific times every 15 minutes on any given day. We can also change the size of the chart, short, medium, or tall. We can print, link and unlink the charts to each other, and then of course select the sensor. So now that we know how to view our charts in full screen, we can talk about changing the settings. So the first thing we're going to do is go back to our dashboard. So back at our dashboard, we're going to choose the Edit Widget option for the data that we'd like to change and go to the Configure Sensor button. The first thing we're going to have to do is select a sensor. So I'm going to change the settings for the 12-inch soil moisture sensor. So now that I'm here, I can change the chart color. I'm going to change the chart color to purple. I can see that both my high and low alerts are currently enabled, though my alerts and conversation is disabled, and my high alert value is 60%, my low alert value is 15%. I can also change my alert colors, so I'm going to make my high alert blue and my low alert red. I can change any of my other settings in this box, but if I just wanted to change the colors, so I'm going to go ahead and press Update Sensor, and the software will tell me that I've updated line color, high color, and low color. So that I can just exit out of this box, and if I return to my full screen mode, I can check and make sure that my changes stuck here in my 12-inch soil moisture. So I can see that my main bar is now purple, my high alert bar is blue, and my low alert bar is red. So that's the end of our full screen charts webinar. If you still have questions, feel free to check out the website at support.onfarm.com to view the full screen charts tech note. If you're still having problems, feel free to reach out to an OnFarm support specialist at support@onfarm.com. Thank you.